Sunil Jain, is it just the Babus who are in the firing line here in all these government agencies, or would ministers and political bosses also have taken money?
I think there's no doubt about it that the politicians are involved. If you look at this as very Meera Shankar case, if there wasn't a political cover-up being done, these people would have been put behind bars or charge sheeted long ago. I think it's very, very clear. But, just to give, I think we should, if you look at the amounts involved, it's shocking that the Navy and those kind of people are involved. But the amounts are really, really small compared to some of the bigger scandals in just recent years of this government. They're very small when compared to the scandals of the BJP. If you look at, what's happening in telecom, the licenses given by Mr. Raja, they were given for, the government lost about 30-40,000 crore rupees. And, I hate to point this out, but whichever bureaucrat sided with that was the bureaucrat who did what the minister wanted. There was no question of a payoff, whatever that payoff was. There was no question of the payoff being made to the bureaucrat. It was a decision made by the political people. I'm sorry to say even the BJP never raised any issues on this. So when Ravi Shankar Prasad is making a point that, these officials need to be prosecuted, etc., I agree with him, they need to be prosecuted. But I'd like Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad to tell me about which big agitation the BJP conducted or carried out on the telecom licenses. I'd like Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad to tell me that when the Ambani brothers were having a fight, and there was this big case about Mukesh Ambani not giving gas which he had contracted to NTPC at a very low price. NTPC is the company which is making power for all of us, for the common man. Yeah. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad or his party never came out on the streets or anywhere saying that, how is the government helping
That's
India's
a very good point. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, why is it only on this issue you've decided to take up on the corruption issue? What about all the other issues that Sunil Jain is listing?
Sagarika, just to put the facts correctly, on this whole issue of telecom spectrum allocation and the entire purchase and sale of that, in the parliament we have nailed this government repeatedly. In Raj Sabha, Arun Jaitley nailed it so badly that Raja was fumbling for words. I am in the standing committee of IT and communication. I have been raising it there. We have publicly leveled a series of allegations leading to a series of articles in newspapers. Therefore, it is very good to say that we never took that stand or we never opposed. We categorically, Mr. Raja and the way the telecom ministry has been managed and the Prime Minister is helpless in the wake of pressure from allies. It's
Ravi, Ravi, in this case, if you look, Sunil, Ravi, when you talk about what you've done in Parliament, you look at Ravi, the way you look up Bofors, there've been walkouts, there've been all kinds of, serious street agitation of the BJP on something like that.
Just a minute.
Order of magnitude.
I think that's a very, I think let's take a break at this point. What we are trying to actually establish and what we are coming to the conclusion is that is the BJP just taking these things up to make political points, or is it genuinely interested in cleansing the system? If it really is, then why not more agitations, or is it just these political whipping boys on the UPA? Let's take a short break and come back.